wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. EasyBib presents the 7 best wireless backup camera kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, an easy installation and a nearly universal rear-view mirror display make the Autobox RV STW a good choice for many drivers. However, its transmitter isn't built into the camera as it is on several other models, so it takes up some extra space. The screen brightness self-adjusts and it comes with an IP67 weatherproof rating, but it does suffer from some flickering. At number 6, the Boscombe K7 OEM monitor boasts an incredibly wide angle of view at 170 degrees. That enables you to see a lot of the area behind your vehicle, though it can result in some distortion to the shape and distance of objects. The monitor clips over most mirrors, and it's also available as a wired option. However, installation can be a pain. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Autobox CS2 rear view is equipped with one of the most intuitive user interfaces on the market, making it a wise selection for anyone who's never used a system like this before. Its camera can withstand temperatures of up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. It comes with a suction cup monitor attachment and a 1-year warranty, but its field of view is a bit narrow. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless backup camera kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, with a clear digital signal that won't interfere with your car's built-in Bluetooth, the quickvu color system is one of the highest quality options out there. Its relatively large 7-inch monitor makes it a smart choice for trucks and RVs. It offers a wide viewing angle without any fisheye distortion and installs in under 5 minutes. It includes a durable license plate mount. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, a 20 LED array on the zeroxclub system SW01 helps it create a clear full-color image at night, so there's no guesswork when parking after dark. Its screen comes with a pair of mounting devices to fit it properly in your vehicle. This one was designed for trucks and campers and delivers a strong signal over 30 meters and a full 1080p HD resolution. At number 2, the DoHonest HD digital system boasts one of the highest weatherproof ratings in its class, capable of withstanding several minutes worth of high-pressure jets of hot water. Its 720p resolution is fairly impressive as well. It provides a wide 150-degree viewing angle, a good night vision capability, and transmits up to 50 feet. And coming in at number 1 on our list, thanks to adjustable guidelines and a flexible mounting system, the Boscam Digital Signal K7 can be installed on a wide variety of vehicles. Its lens uses glass elements to provide a significantly sharper image than plastic. The feed is flicker resistant and it includes a large 5-inch display and 5 anti-glare slides. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless backup camera kits, or simply click beneath this video.